Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will start with prerequisites so the emulator can run. First, install the Flutter SDK and ensure Flutter Doctor reports no blocking issues. This explains dependencies. Once done, install VSCode plus the Flutter and Dart extensions, then restart the editor so they initialize. Next, install Android Studio or Xcode on Mac OS to access system images and the emulator manager. This combination gives you tools, plugins, and a platform to create a virtual device quickly. Now you configure the emulator itself. Open Android Studio and launch AVD Manager. Click Create Virtual Device and pick a phone profile that matches your target screen size. Next, choose a system image with the Android API level you support. Make sure to download it if missing. Configure memory and storage. Keep RAM reasonable, around 1-2 GB, to balance performance. Enable hardware acceleration like Haxum or Hypervisor so emulation runs smoothly. Finish by starting and using the emulator from VSCode. Open your Flutter project, select the device in the bottom right device selector, or start the AVD from Android Studio, then run Flutter devices to confirm it's recognized. Use Flutter Run to deploy and test. Watch the terminal for build progress and errors. If things fail, restart the emulator and run a DB kill server then a DB start server. Check emulator logs and, if necessary, reinstall the system image. That single troubleshooting step solves many common issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.